Introducing the Brother SE600, the two-in-one sewing and embroidery machine designed to fuel your creative projects for years to come. Get more control with the So Smart Color LCD touchscreen display. Easily position your embroidery designs with just a touch of your finger. Preview thread color changes and immediately see the results on screen before stitching. Get more space to view your designs and perform on-screen edits. And get started quickly with built-in tutorials that provide on-screen sewing assistance. Jumpstart your embroidery projects with 80 high-quality built-in embroidery designs, including new applique designs and 6 built-in embroidery fonts, plus access to iBroidery.com, where you'll find thousands of ready-to-use designs, and all of them can be easily imported using the onboard USB port. Think big with an even larger workspace. Explore endless creative options with 103 built-in sewing stitches, including 10 styles of buttonholes, 7 sewing feet for zigzag, monogramming, overcasting, zippers, and more. Plus advanced features like an automatic needle threading, variable speed control, and programmable needle up-down. So bring your creative sewing and embroidery visions to life with the Brother SE600 two-in-one sewing and embroidery machine.
Hi, I'm Angela Wolf, and I'm excited to tell you all about the PQ1500 SL sewing machine by Brother. This was my first Brother machine, and I still love it. The PQ1500 SL is an amazing machine that belongs in the sewing room of every serious quilter and seamstress. It's a high-speed, straight stitching machine sewing up to 1,500 stitches per minute. Up to 1,500 stitches, that's fast. What comes in the box? You'll find 7 different presser feet, plus all these accessories and tools: feed pin, fabric separator, needles, bobbins, a foot controller, knee lift, and cover. The large workspace is great for big projects, and the heavy-duty construction sets this machine apart from the rest. Adding the included wide table enables you to further expand your work area. You get 7 presser feet with this machine. Included are the zipper foot and invisible zipper foot for zipper insertions, rolled hem foot for rolled hems, general purpose foot for basic straight stitching, and for quilting, the spring action quilting foot, 1/4-inch piecing foot, walking foot, and a seam guide. Not only can this machine stitch fast up to 1,500 stitches per minute, but it has a stitch length of up to 7 millimeters for sewing and basting. Just look at that. What a beautiful stitch. Don't like thready needles? The needle threader saves time and is so easy to use. I like these convenient features. You can set your needle to remain up or down when the machine stops by engaging the automatic needle up-down mechanism. When you're done with the row of stitches, simply touch the automatic thread cutter button and both the top and bobbin threads will be cut. Your threads will also be instantly reset and are ready to go again when you are. Are you using a thicker or thinner thread in your bobbin and need to adjust your tension? Simply turn this dial a little at a time until you've gotten your ideal tension. Conveniently placed and easy to use. The bright but gentle on the eyes LED light allows you to see what you're doing, even on dark fabrics. You can set the color-coordinated feed dog adjuster and the presser foot pressure dial, allowing you to sew with ease on all types of fabric, even special ones like velvet. Setting up the Brother exclusive pin feed mechanism on your PQ1500 SL allows you to feed multiple layers of fabric under the presser foot at once with precision. I can reach right in and access the bobbin through the side cover. The PQ1500 SL uses a metal bobbin both for durability and because it holds more thread. You wouldn't want a small bobbin on a machine that moves this fast now, would you? The location of this cover makes care and maintenance around the bobbin case a breeze. Once you have a knee lifter, you'll wonder how you ever got along without it. The removable knee lift enables you to lift your presser foot, leaving both hands free for maneuvering your fabric. You'll get both English and Spanish operation manuals in the box too. These great built-in features on the PQ1500 SL from Brother and the included accessories will have you off and sewing in no time.
The Brother LX3817 makes it so easy to bring out your creative abilities, and at an affordable price. Let's get sewing. Choose from 17 different stitches. Four sewing feet to create clothes, costumes, accessories, crafts, home decor, and so much more. Zigzag foot for everyday sewing. Add a buttonhole, buttons, or a zipper to your project. Sew cuffs and sleeves with the free arm, and setting up is a breeze. There's everything you need to get started. Just add fabric and thread and let your imagination run wild. All so fun, all so easy, all so affordable.
Welcome to the world of affordable sewing and embroidery with the Brother SE400. With this computer-connectable, versatile, and easy-to-use machine, you can go from sewing to embroidering in minutes. The SE400 offers a versatile array of 67 sewing stitches, 70 built-in embroidery designs, 120 frame pattern combinations, and 5 fonts. And the 4x4-inch embroidery area is just the right size for doing your favorite monogrammed applique. You can even import thousands of embroidery designs from iBroidery.com and other websites for virtually unlimited design options. You also get 8 quick change sewing feet, a tremendous value. It's incredibly easy to change between feet. The SE400 is easy to set up and use. Features like the automatic needle threader and quick set top drop-in bobbin are big time and frustration savers. And the one-step buttonhole is automatically sized to fit your buttons. The SE400 includes a range of editing features you control through the easy-to-use touch screen. You can also use the touch screen to access built-in tutorials, change your settings, and more. Plus, you'll love how easy the instructions are to follow. Enjoy all the great sewing and embroidery features, including accessories and Brother support, with the reliable, easy to learn and use SE400 from Brother.
Looking to explore fashion and creative sewing? Introducing the Brother Project Runway XR9550 PRW, the computerized sewing and quilting machine. Showcase your talents with its beautiful built-in stitches, including decorative stitches, buttonhole stitches, and 55 alphanumeric stitches. View and adjust your stitches on the large backlit LCD display. Plus, so many versatile feet means so many creative sewing options. Blind hems, overcast seams, zippers, buttonholes, and buttons, monogramming, straight stitches, and even free motion sewing. Get more freedom with an expansive workspace. And features that make sewing fun and easy, like an advanced needle threading system, quick set drop-in top bobbin, and thread tension control. Take your creative sewing to the next level with the Brother Project Runway XR9550 PRW computerized sewing and quilting machine.
Looking for a sewing machine? How about a sewing and embroidery machine? Then look no further than Brother. From automatic needle threading LCD screens, and built-in designs, Brother Sewing and Embroidery have the features that let you unleash your designer within you. Brother, at your side. Are you ready to enter the world of computerized sewing? Then get ready for the Brother CS6000i. The CS6000i includes many of the desirable features that are found in most Brother sewing machines. An automatic needle threader, an automatic buttonholer, and a quick-set drop-in bobbin. But with the CS6000i, you get even more. An LCD screen for stitch selection, a start-stop button for easy operation without the foot pedal, sewing speed controller that allows you to select your sewing speed, making it as fast or slow as you like, 60 built-in stitches, 7 styles of one-step buttonholes, a number of quilting and sewing accessories, including 7 presser feet, and even a protective hardcover. The one-touch start, stop, and reverse operations allow sewing without the included foot control. Though quite powerful, you'd be surprised how quiet this machine is. Beginners and seasoned seamstresses alike love the LCD screen. See how easy and quick stitch selection is when you use the simple push buttons located beside the LCD screen. That's right, no more turning dials, and it's now easier than ever to change your stitches. You'll find that the LCD screen is almost like having a personal sewing guide. Just take a look. If you are using the automatic buttonhole function and you happen to set it up incorrectly, an error message quickly reads on the screen and prevents a mistake in your project. The screen also tells you exactly which foot to use, so there is no need for guesswork. Wind the bobbin quickly using the bobbin winding system. Inserting the bobbin is exceptionally easy. The bobbin drops in, but you don't have to draw up the lower thread because of the quick-set drop-in bobbin system. The Brother CS6000i boasts 60 built-in utility, decorative, and heirloom stitches, each with multiple stitch functions, which means you can multiply your creative options. The super wide 7mm zigzag stitch makes a great embellishment stitch for home crafts and garments. One of the best features of this machine is the full set of accessories you get, which all stow away neatly in the built-in storage compartment. The included feet, which can help you with almost any project, include a buttonhole foot used to create the 7 styles of built-in buttonholes, an overcasting foot, which is perfect for creating a flat, professional-looking finished edge and prevents raveling. A monogramming foot partners well with many of the built-in decorative stitches in the CS6000i. A zigzag foot is the standard sewing foot that is used for most general sewing. A zipper foot makes zipper insertion fast and easy. A blind stitch foot for creating blind hems in garments and home deck items. And a button sewing foot. There are bonus accessories such as a walking foot for easy, accurate stitching of slippery fabrics or multiple layers. A quilt guide to create precise, evenly spaced quilting lines. And a spring action quilting foot for darning, free motion quilting, or embroidery. And finally, the included oversized table is perfect for quilting and large sewing projects. So, if you're looking for affordable computerized sewing with loads of flexibility, check out the Brother CS6000i.
Introducing Star Wars Sewing and Embroidery. A machine as reliable as a droid. With precision like a lightsaber. Power that rivals the Millennium Falcon. And everything you'd need to take on the Empire. May the Force be with you.